What if a state could be defined by sound? By the soft whisper of rolling hills, the thunder of hooves, and the warm amber glow of a barrel-aged dream. Welcome to Kentucky, the Bluegrass state. Here, past and present converge. Bluegrass music rises from Appalachian hollows. Bourbon ages in charred oak, and champions are born on green pastures. But beneath the charm lies tension, reinvention, and a legacy waiting to be felt rather than simply seen. A land of promise and tension. Kentucky stretches across landscapes as diverse as its stories, from the rugged Appalachian Mountains in the east to the rolling Bluegrass region in the center to the floodplain of the far west. This land was home to Native American peoples long before statehood, the Shawnee, Cherokee, and others whose voices are still woven into place names and landscapes. In 1792, Kentucky was admitted as the 15th U.S. state, emerging from the shadows of Virginia. Yet from the beginning, there was a duality: fertile pastures and hard labor, frontier freedom and the weight of tradition. Kentucky would birth both a U.S. president, Abraham Lincoln, and a Confederate president, Jefferson Davis, a testament to its complex place in American history. How do you reconcile light and shadow in one landscape? The Bluegrass pastures, rich with limestone-filtered soils, became ideal for one of the world's greatest thoroughbred industries. At the same time, the land carried memories of conflict, of economic shifts, and of communities working to forge their future. This state's foundation was solid and restless. It promised promise, but also demanded reinvention. The sound, the spirit, the symbols. In the heart of Kentucky lies a symphony of culture: horses, whiskey, music. Take the pastures around Lexington. More than 400 horse farms dot the region, breeding champions of the track. The Bluegrass's limestone-rich soil and water help create strong horses born to run. Here, the Kentucky Derby at Louisville's Churchill Downs, held since 1875, is known as the most exciting 2 minutes in sports. There's also Bourbon, the soft water, filtered through limestone, the charred oak barrels, and the humid climate all converge to produce whiskey that's uniquely Kentucky. Over 95% of the world's bourbon is produced here. Yes, more bourbon barrels than people in some counties. The numbers nearly stagger. And then there's the music. In the hollows of the Appalachians and beyond, bluegrass music was born, melding Scots-Irish melodies, African rhythms, and folk traditions into something deeply American. But let's not gloss over the tension. While bourbon and bluegrass celebrate tradition, the same land faced hardship, declining industries, changing economies, and the question, what comes next? Kentucky answered by leaning into its identity, honoring horses, barrels, and strings, but also embracing renewal. In 2023 alone, tourism generated nearly $14 billion in economic impact for the state. What happens when the legacy you're known for becomes the platform for what's next? In barns where stallions once foaled, in former distilleries now welcoming visitors, Kentucky shifted from echoing history to shaping its future. From Bourbon River tours to eco-adventures at Red River Gorge, this is a state reimagining what greatness can be. Is greatness defined by the past or forged in the future? Kentucky's story isn't about resting on laurels, it's about rising from them. The land that bred champions continues to ask, who will take the next step? Take Mammoth Cave National Park, the world's longest-known cave system, with over 400 miles of mapped passages. In its shadows, you feel the state's literal depth. Outside, bourbon barrels age. In 2022, more than 2.6 million barrels were filled, many destined for global markets. And when floodwaters threatened Buffalo Trace Distillery in 2025, one of America's oldest, it rebounded quickly, proving resilience runs deep. Kentucky's people still volunteer, still rebuild, still believe. From barns and distilleries to research labs and recreation trails, this is a state that keeps breathing hope into history. And maybe that's the heart of it. The Bluegrass state isn't static. It flows like the Ohio and Mississippi rivers at its borders, carrying past and future in one current. Here's what it teaches us. Greatness can be humble, tradition can be bold. And when you honor your heritage while embracing the next chapter, that is renewal. So as the track lights shine at the Derby, a fiddle rises on a mountain porch, because it's not just built on bluegrass and barrels. It's built on the enduring belief that no matter the odds, we can still rewrite our story. Kentucky, the bluegrass state, a place where loops of string become songs, where pastures breed legends. Thank you for joining Inner Light World on this journey through Kentucky's story. If you felt something, hit like, subscribe, and step into our next episode, where we keep illuminating America's landscapes one state at a time. Because every state has its story, and every story lights the world.